Hey guys, I'm back. I was absent for like maybe a couple months because I died internally, but I'm ready to I'm ready to do YouTube again. I want to say like in the middle of March is when I stopped. I was occupied by school, but now I'm done and I can make YouTube videos again. So I'm gonna start by giving you a timeline of what happened.
Oh, there she is. All right. I need to open the calendar. March 7th. Yeah, so March 7th, it was a track meet for my track team at school.
I was
running the mile and the 2 mile. I ran the 1 mile and I got like a 5:01, which is garbage. My best is 4:48. It all started at Tokay High School. For me, that's where it started. It started at Tokay High School, March 7th, approximately 12 o'clock p.m. I was running a track meet. In the middle of the track meet, everything was brought to a halt when we received an email from our school district saying that our school district is officially, effective immediately, quarantined. And that is how the pandemic entered into my life. I don't know, somewhere in March I made this stupid channel. I think my last video was posted in April. I actually deleted most of my older some of my recent videos. April of this year. I was getting kind of depressed from being so lonely in quarantine, and I don't like looking at those videos because I was a little dull in my presentation, so I unlisted them. They're gone. You don't get to watch them. They're mine. Loser. Today, I'm going to be building my PC. We like that. What am I doing with my freaking life? To build a PC, there are a lot of things you need. I decided to do this because my brother just gave me his old graphics card. That's really my main motivation for just building a PC. But there's other things I need. Windows 10. There she is. There she is. Stupid Avast, gosh dang it. Yeah, so that's the OS. We're gonna need a CPU. I already have the GPU, that's the graphics card. We need a CPU. I'm looking probably for like a i7.
Alright, so we got our CPU. Hopefully it's not the OS, because I wouldn't like that. Beloved friend of mine, if he could show his face, that would be preferable. Yeah. Alright. So now we have some blacklight LEDs from the side. This beautiful LED like bulb right there. So we have good lighting. Unboxing number 1. And
oh man. Oh.
Hey loser. You totally do you know how long it's gonna take me to fix the socket? Oh. We'll just hold it like that, okay?
Ah! Alright, I'm putting this
Did you just make a spark?
My
Right.
finger was like this close.
This is a Core i7. Jeez. So there are precautions. I need to be statically grounded. There is the Core i7 processor. That's how it's done.